Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, in fact, Honourable Minister Prema Kumar, in fact, was the minister then, when she, in fact, through her ministry, asked for the engagement of the Office of the Auditor General to perform a special audit report because they had received numerous complaints about lot allotment. There were a lot of allegations regarding the fact that there are a lot of people who were in fact buying lots who in fact weren't entitled to it, because the idea was that those people who are low-income people should be entitled to the first bite of the cherry, so to speak, to get those lots. And Mr. Speaker, sir, there was a number of weaknesses, of course, that were found in the operational side of the housing authority, in the management, of course, and also at the sort of middle management level, where people in fact had acquired lots who should not have acquired those lots. As a result of which a number of matters were highlighted. In fact, frankly, the audit that was done was not a very good audit. We believe that a lot more could have been done by the Auditor General's office. They did not meet the terms of reference, and we had asked them to verify all information by checking the titles office, FNPF, etc., which was not done. In fact, we are informed that perhaps some people from the Auditor General's office may have in fact acquired some of those lots too, and not necessarily entitled to it. So there's a lot of sort of things in the closet that's yet to be eked out. But as a result of being proactive about it, the current board is in the process of finalizing a draft lot allocation policy. It's going to be reviewed by the Ministry and the board. Mechanism of periodic declarations by board members also, and all other staff in particular, and also files relating to allocation lots to several former employees have also been submitted to FICAC itself for them to investigate as to how the staff in fact acquired these lots. So that's the status and what the board is doing. We have a new board. It's chaired by the CEO of FNPF, Vilame Wandanivalu. The deputy chair is the CEO of FDB. South Minam, we have an engineer, Rene Dungunivalu from Nandi. Susan Naidu, who is also the manager of Korei Pita Homes in Lotoka. Florence Takinana, who's a lawyer by profession and a member of the real estate fraternity. So, Mr. Speaker, this board actually is currently finalizing all these action plans, and we hope to improve these processes within Housing Authority itself, sir. Thank you.